So in this lesson we're going to be talking about triple crochet and quadruple crochet. Quadruple crochet is not very commonly used, but just to know that it's what it is should you ever see it on a pattern. So again, I've started with my row of chain and a row of single crochet. So there's links to that in the description. So for triple crochet, you've probably guessed, we start with a chain of 3. So go 1, 2, 3. Return our work. Now instead of going yarn over once, you go yarn over twice. So you're going to have 3 loops starting your stitch. You go into the gap there, you go through just one time now, through there. So you'll have 4 loops of thread on your hook. So go yarn over, you pull it through 2. You've now got 3 loops. Yarn over, you pull it through so that you've got 2 loops left. Yarn over and through the last 2 and your stitch is complete. So let's show you again. Twice, yarn over twice, under your stitch, grab your yarn, pull it through, you've now got 4 loops. Grab your yarn, pull it through, you've got 3 loops, 2 loops, and back to 1. Just to show you the comparison, so this is 1 row of let's start from there because that's our single crochet. So that's 1 row of triple crochet, whereas this is our swatch where we did our 3 rows of double crochet. And you can see that if you take out that bottom line of single crochet there, that 1 row of triple is the same height as a double row, as 2 rows of double crochet, but again the gaps are even bigger and it's an even softer, more flimsy knit. So it just depends on the item that you're making. If you're going to be doing a blanket, then it might be faster to do it with the big loops, or depending on what you're wanting to make. So quadruple crochet. So like I said before, this is very rarely seen on a pattern, but you never know. So as you probably guessed, you start with a turning chain of 4. Okay. Now you're going to wrap around your hook 3 times under your first stitch. Grab your yarn over, bring it through. You've got 5 loops on your hook now. Bring it through 2 of them, 2 loops, 4 loops left. Yarn over, pull it through 2, 3 loops left. Yarn over, pull it through those 2, 2 loops left, and yarn over, 1 left. So you can see with your 3 rounds, you end up with 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, making your quadruple stitches. So this is a very light stitch that lets through lots of air, but it can be useful if you're covering large areas. And that is your row of quadruple crochet. That's that for today's tutorial on triple and quadruple crochet. I hope you enjoyed my tutorial. If you did, please click the like button and please consider subscribing to my channel for future tutorials. The next crochet tutorial we'll be doing will be on rib stitch, how to increase, how to decrease, and how to change colour. So I hope you join me for that one. Bye for now.